How's it going, guys? Benny Childs, founder of the Teach Me to Fish and Face trading community, back with another market review and next day proposals. All right, so looks like here on the daily chart, here on the MNQ, the daily candle has closed below Monday's low. All right, so my initial target for Wednesday is going to be today's low. So let me get that marked out and we'll talk about the other things. Okay. All right, we'll get that locked. All right. Now, here on the daily chart, just a couple of things that I am noticing. We closed below this swing low here. We also closed below the 50% of this daily fair value gap. However, the fair value gap itself has still been respected. We did not get a closeout, even though we traded all the way down to $18,201. Okay. Um, but again, we did close below the CE of this FVG. So I'm thinking that we will continue lower. Now we did get a huge, a pretty lengthy pullback here. So we may not need to pull back anymore. We may just start to trade lower, but I'll drop down to the lower time frame just to kind of see what's going on here. All right, so here on the 4 hour, we did inverse this BISI right here to the left. Okay, and it looks like we're pulling back just a little bit here. Let's put our fib here on our price range. And let's see if we are in discount, which it doesn't look like we're in discount. We'll just do the ICT OTE. Let me just lock that. So we have yet to pull back to the 50% premium level here on the 4 hour. So I'm thinking that the market will either pull back to 18,357 and 50 cents before heading lower, or we may get a OTE at $18,421.75. Okay, let's see how the 1 hour looks, but let's also keep in mind that we did tap into this 4 hour BISI, and we respected it. So I think that's where the market got the fuel to pull back up. So again, we're looking for it to tap at least the 50% of this price range, and again, that's at $18,357.50. Let's take a look at the 1 hour. Like I said in my last video, we had already flipped bearish, so and I was just kind of hoping that we will pull back and tag some of this liquidity that we have up here, but obviously the algo is saving it for a later time. All right, so again, we are bearish on the 4 hour as well as the 1 hour. All right, and we're just waiting for the market to trade back up into premium, possibly into OTE, to look for trades lower. Let's take a look at the 15-minute. Okay. Now we did get, it's not the cleanest, but we did get a market structure shift. Let's see, the high on this candle is $18,275.75. And the 1245 candle is what gave us the market structure shift. So it's not the cleanest because it took a couple passes at it. However, we did get a market structure shift. So again, I'm thinking that because it wasn't the cleanest market structure shift, we'll probably pull back in somewhere into premium and head lower. So That's pretty much it, guys. Again, my initial target for tomorrow is $18,201. We'll see how price action develops throughout the Asian session and London session. I typically wake up towards the end of the London kill zone around 5 a.m. and that's when I pretty much check the markets. So we'll see how price action plays and what it gives us. I did take a trade today. It wasn't the best trade. I think I got lucky on it because I was buying and it's it reached a liquidity point to where I went in with 10 contracts. I took 5 off once it hit liquidity, moved my stop loss into profit, and then the market turned on me and continued to go lower. So it was a counter trend trade, and like I said, I think I just got lucky on it. So, but nonetheless, we're still alive. So. Other than that, guys, I am going to end the video. Always remember to check the description as well as the comments for your Apex discount link. I believe Apex is doing an 80% off discount right now. So you guys can check that out, and if you don't mind, use my discount link. So, all right, guys. Until next time, I hope you all stay well and safe trading to you. Bye.